Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can fix the Microsoft Edge screen going black when scrolling issue really quickly. So let's get started. Now guys, all you need to do is head over to your app settings on your PC or laptop. For instance, if you're using Windows 10, simply click on that Windows icon in the bottom left corner, then click on that gear icon here and select settings. Now, as you can see, the interface language is not English for me, it is in Polish, but the commands and the steps are actually exactly the same no matter in which language you follow this tutorial. So what you want to do here in your settings is click on apps here, and in a list of installed applications, simply use that search bar here and type in Edge, and after that click on Edge with your left mouse and select Modify. After that, Windows 10 will ask you whether you'd like to repair Microsoft Edge. That should be that button here, so confirm that. Wait for your computer to reinstall and to repair Microsoft Edge. And that's basically it. After the repairing process, your Microsoft Edge web browser should work properly and should stop into black screen whenever you keep scrolling. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.